Welcome to the Sky Princess Cabin C301. This is a fully handicap accessible room. The beds have been pushed together to make one large queen-size bed. There is a nightstand on each side of the bed. Each nightstand has 4 drawers, a lamp, and a USB charging port. The bathroom doorway is large enough for a standard size wheelchair to enter and exit with ease. The shower bench folds down very easily and is quite comfortable to sit upon. The shower nozzle can be lowered by the bar, and the water, hot and cold, is easily reachable. There are plenty of grab bars at different levels to make transferring quite easy. The sink has been lowered so the person in the wheelchair can reach everything with ease. The bars in the closet can be lowered for a more reachable area. The second closet has your safe, life jackets, and extra storage space. The desk is large enough to move the chair, and the wheelchair can easily slide under it. The mini fridge is plenty big enough for the ice bucket, beverages, and medication. There are also 3 additional drawers on that vanity, and the top drawer contains the hair dryer. The balcony can be easily accessed by the person in the wheelchair. There is a ramp that automatically folds down when the door is opened. There is plenty of room on the balcony to turn the wheelchair around. Currently, there is also 2 tables and 1 chair on the balcony. We hope that you found this video helpful, and tune in to our show and watch our video on other handicap accessible rooms on Princess Cruise Lines and Carnival Cruise Lines. Have a great day.